Wombat poop is cube-shaped, and scientists have uncovered how this bizarre trait aids their survival. These unique marsupials produce up to 100 cubes of dung each night, using the distinctive shape to mark territory and communicate with other wombats. The secret lies in their intestines, which stretch unevenly, creating distinct edges and corners as the waste is compressed. This peculiar adaptation ensures the droppings remain in place, even on sloped surfaces, acting as a natural billboard to signal their presence and ward off competitors. This cube-shaped mystery isn't just a quirky fact. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity in helping the wombat thrive in the wild.